Hello, I'm Aral and this is my Physics 102 laboratory project. In this experiment, we're going to be measuring the dielectric constants of three materials with these Jenga blocks made out of dry wood, glass, and also a styrofoam. These are the two steel plates we're going to be using as our parallel plate capacitors. They are 1 centimeters apart and they have an area of 50 centimeters square. We first start our experiment by charging up the parallel plates in the capacitor, and then after disconnecting it from the power source, we connect it to the capacitance meter and we measure the capacitance, the initial capacitance of the capacitor. We then inserted our first material, which is a thin piece of glass between the plates of the capacitor, and then we looked at the capacitance meter and read what the value it said. We then repeat the last step for the styrofoam and the dry wood Jenga blocks for our experiment, and all of these clips that you're seeing are just an illustration, because in order to get proper values with less error, we actually conducted the experiment a couple of times. This is only an illustration. At the end of our experiment, using the data that we found from this experiment, this is the final data chart that we came up with. This shows all the relevant information that we obtained in this experiment. We measured the dielectric constants of each material by dividing the capacitance with the material value to the initial capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor, and the theoretical values of these dielectric constants as well as its ranges are from physics.illinois.